Want to get discount on Nike app? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to get verified Nike discounts on the Nike app. The first thing you want to do is become a Nike member. Sign up in the Nike app to unlock exclusive offers, member-only deals, and birthday discounts, sometimes up to 25% off during your birthday month. Next, you want to verify for student, military, teacher, or first responder discounts. Eligible users can get 10% off most items via Share ID verification inside the app. Just go to discount sections and follow the prompts. Next, you want to sign up for email updates. Joining Nike's email list often earns you 20% off plus sign up code and early access to app-only promotions. You also want to check the promotion section in the app. For that, navigate to profile, then offers or cart. Now go to promo code box to apply valid codes found via newsletters or coupon sites like Groupon and coupons.com. And that's it. Using these strategies, you can get real working discounts on the Nike app. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.